Hello and welcome to another update video about Pepe. I haven't covered it for a long time, not on YouTube. I did cover it last weekend on, not the last one, the one before, on X, on Twitter, because yeah, every week I cover one video on specifically Twitter. There is a poll every week. Feel free to check it out. You'll find the link to our Twitter channel in the description. Please make sure you only follow the one with the blue check mark, right? The verified one. And the overall forecast here seems to be followed. I haven't changed anything since that video. The idea is, if we zoom out a little bit, that the Pepe chart is forming an probably, I'd say, an ABC structure to the upside. That's the preferred count at the moment. So I've got an A wave to the upside. The main reason is why I apply mainly an ABC instead of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just because this move up is unclear. Just want to focus here on risk management a bit more. So we have an AB, and then the C wave would be wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, which was the low point in February this year. Third wave rally, fourth wave dipped into support perfectly, and we find that very often with meme coins. Yeah, they follow fib levels very accurately. Because what I normally highlight, and you know that if you follow this channel, is that a fourth wave, the ideal, let's say, target, or I shouldn't say target, it's not technically a target, but the ideal level that normally a wave 4 reacts to is the 38.2 retracement of the third wave. And that's sort of what it did perfectly, right? The 38.2 fib level here to 41567, and now we are in this fifth wave to the upside, and it still has some room for higher prices. And okay, look, if that is in the white count or the yellow one, we will have to see. The micro count is the same for both at the moment. In the white count, the difference is there will be another 4-5 pattern, even higher. Okay, and then we have a large 5-wave move. But hey, let's first see if those 5 waves to the target area get filled in. I think when I made the video, we were down here somewhere. So there's nice upside since the last update. And let's talk about the next resistances, and let's talk about the next upside targets as well. If we zoom in a little bit, then you can see here that the fifth wave to the upside seems to be unfolding circle 5. And it seems to be an ending diagonal, because we have an ABC in wave 1. We have a wave 2 pullback, which held a higher low. Yeah. And then we have here probably an AB, and we could now be in the C wave of the third wave. That fits quite well. So basically A wave up, B wave down, and this could be the C wave of the third wave. Ideal target for the third wave starting at 152,123, but minimum 137916. That's what I want to see, but there is also already resistance in case it's just failing after 3 waves, which it easily can do, at 117443. And basically that means be aware we're now approaching here this previous third wave high. There could be structural resistance, but then specifically Fibonacci resistance, which is probably quite meaningful here at the 100% extension level. Pay attention to that. And if we push above it, that would further support the idea that we're dealing with the white count, that this could be a third wave, then another 4-5. Once we get into this region where the third wave could form a top, I will add a support area to the chart for a fourth wave, and then a fifth wave to the upside should send the price even higher to ideally 178,885. With any analysis, you get an invalidation point. What's the invalidation point? Because you need to know when you want to get out, or at least when things are starting to morph and transform and not follow the ideal pathway. That's the B wave low. So that's the level at 76785. They swing low from Wednesday, the 8th of May. Break below that level means that some things are changing. That doesn't mean we are bearish, but it means, okay, maybe this orange support region is still relevant. You know, we would probably then at least fall back into this support region. Yeah, that's my update about Pepe. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.